Are you looking for the best used SUV? Well then, hold your horsepower. While these rugged rides offer adventure on the road, some come with a caution flag due to notorious engine troubles. Here is a list of used SUVs which you should avoid for bad engines. Number 7. 2013 Kia Sorento. The 2013 Kia Sorento has a sleek design and a spacious interior at quite a decent price. However, many owners have had issues with the engine, which has impaired their overall ownership experience. The 2013 Kia Sorento had some significant problems with its engine that year. This made it infamous for having one of the poorest powertrains. Sorento owners reported the most serious issue as being the engine failing catastrophically. This happened when the car had an average mileage of 84,000 miles and cost an average of $6,500 to fix. Just think how frustrating it would be to experience such a critical breakdown. One of the most prevalent concerns regarding the 2013 Sorrento's engine is its propensity for excessive oil consumption. The Sorrento's engine has been reported to consume oil excessively, a common concern for many car owners. Some have even reported the need to add oil in between regular maintenance intervals. This issue is inconvenient and raises concerns about potential long-term engine damage if oil levels are not adequately maintained. The root cause of this problem is believed to be related to faulty piston rings or other internal engine components, which allow oil to bypass and be burned during the combustion process. 2015 Volvo XC60. The 2015 Volvo XC60 is a luxurious and elegant car known for its safety features, designed with a Scandinavian touch. Unfortunately, this model has a significant engine issue that has garnered concern among owners and prospective buyers. The problem is related to an engine component that leads to oil consumption, which has caused frustration and financial burdens for many owners. This notorious engine issue has spoiled the XC60's reputation despite its many appealing attributes. It had some engine-related issues, making it one of the least reliable cars. Specifically, there were problems with excessive oil consumption that affected the engine's performance and reliability. These issues increased maintenance costs and could lead to engine damage. The average repair cost for this problem was around $2,500. Also, a few of the XC60 models have been reported to experience an engine knock. It is a noise caused by improper combustion. It is synonymous with severe engine damage. Additionally, oil leaks have been a cause for concern. Leaking oil could contaminate engine components, leading to premature wear and eventual failure. Repair costs for oil leak-related engine issues averaged around $4,000. Now, this is a massive maintenance cost. Number 5. 2013 BMW X3. The 2013 BMW X3 is a crossover SUV that has received praise for its luxurious interior, advanced technology, and sporty performance. However, this model has developed a negative reputation for having one of the worst engines in its class, which has caused a significant drop in popularity in the used car market. This is due to a problematic engine component known as the timing chain issue, which has caused frustration, inconvenience, and financial burden for many owners. Despite its attractive features, this issue has caused trouble for the X3 this year, making it less desirable for potential buyers. The timing chain guide on the X3 is made of plastic, which is a significant issue. Unlike some cars that use metal guides for their timing belt, the X3's plastic guides were prone to breaking due to the stress placed on them. These guides connect the timing chain to the camshaft and crankshaft, and a faulty one could cause several issues, including symptoms of a wrong timing chain. The repair for this issue can cost around $6,000 and typically occurs at around 78,000 miles. CarComplaints.com has received numerous reports of engine failure in the 2013 BMW X3. This issue has been rated a severity score of 10, which is the most severe rating possible. According to the reports, the engine typically fails at around 91,000 miles. Number 4. 2010 Ford Expedition. The 2010 Ford Expedition is a full-size SUV with much room inside, good towing ability, and a rugged design. However, it has a bad reputation due to its engine, one of the worst in its class. This has made it less desirable in the used car market. The main problem is a faulty engine component called the cam phaser. This component adjusts the camshaft timing to optimize performance and fuel efficiency. Unfortunately, many owners have reported that the cam phasers wear out too soon and cause problems such as rough idling, engine misfires, and loss of power. This issue can cause more severe engine damage and require expensive repairs if not addressed. The 2010 Expedition has some reliability issues due to cam facer problems. These problems are recurring and persist even after repair or replacement, suggesting an underlying problem in design or manufacturing. These problems can be particularly troublesome for owners who use their vehicles for heavy towing or hauling, as they can cause premature engine failure. Apart from cam phaser issues, the 2010 Expedition's engine performance and fuel efficiency have also been criticized. Some owners have reported high fuel consumption, especially when driving in the city or towing heavy trailers. This can increase operating costs and make the vehicle less attractive for budget-conscious buyers. Number 3. 2013 Hyundai Santa Fe. In 2013, many owners of the Hyundai Santa Fe reported significant engine problems. The most common issue was excessive oil consumption, even after regular oil changes. This caused concerns about engine health, as the oil level would drop significantly between maintenance intervals. Additionally, some Santa Fe owners did not receive low oil warning lights on their dashboards, even when the oil level was critically low. This lack of warning could potentially lead to engine damage. Other Santa Fe owners reported that the engine seizures were likely due to an oil consumption issue. When engine components don't have proper lubrication, they can fail, which leads to expensive repairs or replacements. Hyundai had to pay fines because of engine recalls involving the 2.0 and 2.4-liter Theta 2 engines in the 2011-2014 Sonata and the 2013-2014 Santa Fe Sport. Later, it was revealed that these engine failures were caused by metal debris created during factory machining operations. Number 2. 2012 Subaru Forester. The 2012 Subaru Forester is a highly versatile and reliable compact SUV that boasts all-weather capability and a solid reputation. However, it has a notorious engine issue that has significantly impacted its otherwise excellent reputation in the used car market. The excessive oil consumption issue has caused numerous owners frustration, inconvenience, and financial burden. One of the primary concerns surrounding the 2012 Forester's engine is its tendency to consume oil excessively. Many owners have reported that their vehicles consume oil at a rate far beyond what is considered normal or acceptable for a modern vehicle. This excessive oil consumption can lead to engine damage, reduced performance, and increased emissions, ultimately compromising the vehicle's reliability and longevity. The root cause of this problem is thought to be related to faulty piston rings or other internal engine components that allow oil to bypass and be burned during the combustion process. Furthermore, the excessive oil consumption issue in 2012 caused Forester to raise environmental concerns and questions about compliance with emissions regulations. Vehicles that consume excessive amounts of oil may emit higher levels of harmful pollutants into the atmosphere, contributing to air pollution and environmental degradation. This aspect is especially concerning given Subaru's reputation as a manufacturer committed to sustainability and environmental responsibility. In addition to the excessive oil consumption issue, the 2012 Forester has also been criticized for its overall engine performance and fuel efficiency. Some owners have reported sluggish acceleration, rough idling, and poor fuel economy, especially during highway driving or when carrying heavy loads. These performance issues can detract from the driving experience and diminish the vehicle's appeal for buyers seeking a reliable and efficient compact SUV. Number 1. 2012 Chevy Transverse. The 2012 Chevrolet Traverse is a spacious and versatile SUV many families prefer. However, it has gained a negative reputation due to a recurring problem related to the timing chain and engine failure. This issue has caused frustration and financial strain for several owners and has made the car less desirable in the used car market. One of the most significant concerns with the 2012 Traverse's engine is its timing chain. The timing chain wears out too quickly and fails long before it should, causing severe damage to the engine. This can result in bent valves, damaged pistons, and even complete engine failure. Repairing or replacing the timing chain can be expensive, often costing thousands of dollars. This serious issue has left many owners facing unexpected and unwelcome repair bills. Traverse owners reported other significant problems with their car's engine. Two other common issues were engine seizure and blown engines. Engine seizure happens when the engine locks up due to internal damage or lack of lubrication. This issue often occurs around 92,000 miles of usage and can cost about $7,800 to fix. Blown engines, on the other hand, require substantial repairs and cost around $7,900 on average. These incidents typically happen at an average mileage of 85,000 miles. Due to this, Traverse Chevy owners were left worried and uncertain when up to 1.3 million vehicles were recalled due to safety concerns. Are there any other SUV models that you would like to add to the list based on your personal experiences or knowledge? Comment down below. For more updates and similar content, hit the like button and press the bell icon so you always get intriguing content from us.